In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to shoot a video using Video Physics. So you go ahead and open up the app, and mine is in the bottom of my screen right here. And if you have any old experiments, we obviously want to create a new one, so hit the plus icon on the top left corner of the screen, take video. So the most important thing with Video Physics is the dimension that your object is moving in. So there are three dimensions. You can either go to the right or to the left, up and down, or the third, which is the important one, going either away from you or towards you. The problem is Video Physics cannot track distances in that third dimension when it's going away from you or towards you. So when shooting your video, you never want the object to moving away from the camera or towards it. So a general rule of thumb, my camera is actually aiming this direction. I always want my object to be moving perpendicular to the camera's view. So that could be either to the right or left, up or down, or you could even go in between those, and if you're on a ramp or a hill, you could be going up and to the right or down and to the left per se. Alright, so now that you're ready and you kind of have your dimensions figured out, I have another thing in my video right here, which is a measuring stick. That'll be for scale, which we'll talk about later. But I'm just going to roll my ball to the right of the screen, which is okay because again that's perpendicular to the camera's view. So go ahead, get your object position. Hit the record button on the right side of the screen there. You can let it delay a little bit if you want, but then whenever you're ready, go ahead and roll the object. Hit stop, and then you're good to use your video. So then if you want to, you can hit play to just view it and make sure that it's all good, but once you are ready, you can hit use video. You're satisfied, and then it'll be ready for our next step. So why don't you now go ahead in class, take the acceleration card that I've given you, and shoot a video of the acceleration card using the essentials in this tutorial.